So did you like this feature? Although I have just given basic idea about it, once you enroll in our course and we go in detail, it's an automation, guys. It's an automation. Daily task, whatever you do. I'm telling you guys, in this course, I'm going to teach advanced Excel, data analysis, data visualization, and VBA. There are many other topics, but this is my part. But after learning entire part of this chunk, tomorrow, if you get any data in your organization from clients, from stakeholders, you will be able to automate the whole thing very quickly. Hard work of formula writing and coding and everything will be reduced. Since I'm teaching it step by step, you're following it. That's why it is taking too much of time. Otherwise, I was telling you, I take only 30 seconds to transform this data and get this one. We have got the region. And this is the bonus percentage. Although here, bonus is already calculated. But now here, we want to calculate as per the region. If this is the region, then this is the percentage should appear. Not here in the output. Are you getting it? How can I connect this data with this one? And you will do a lot of hard work, because first you have to go to bonus, get the VLOOKUP done here, then do the calculation, and then you create one more VLOOKUP from this employee code to this employee code and get it. But again, it is just a task of 2 minutes in Power Query. Very easy. Okay. Now, isn't it in the same line of the data which I have told you? Right? Merging and calculation, and then load. I'll give you guys 4 minutes if you want to try it out. And if it could not be done, don't get disappointed. I'll show you. So I need your 4 minutes only to practice the same thing with a different case study, because different data set can give you different perceptions, right? So hope you understood. We have got the bonus where there is a region is East and it is 1%. And here I got a salary where there is a East region and here it should display 1%. But when it is calculating, so what is 1% of the salary? That amount should be reflected here as an outcome. I'm not concerned with the data. My manager says, show me this. I want employee name and salary and bonus. That's it. How you do that, it's your job. Now you got only 3 minutes. Try this. It's going to be very exciting for you. Fast. I go to edit. Okay. What is the first thing I do here? First, I import that data which I have in this Excel. Where is my data? Bonus, this table. I first need to have the number, the value of that bonus column here. Okay, so I can call it as new bonus, something like that, from the bonus table with connection. Common connection is which column? Region. So I simply go and do a merge query. Okay, so in this query I want to merge. So this is my salary. I say merge queries. Then I connect this query with bonus. Which column is common? This one, yes. And then I got a table. Interested in percentage. I got these percentages. Getting it? Now I want to know what is the value here. Okay, so I can create a new column within this, within Power Query. No need to go to Excel. Very simple. I go to add column, custom column. Slowly I can inject lots of new topics. Okay, so what is the percentage? This particular percentage into salary. This is how you can, it's a place where you can make simple calculations like 4 types of operators, plus, minus, divide, multiply. You can do all the combinations here using custom column. I got the value and I double click and make it new bonus. Connect with output. Now I will complete employee code to employee code, right? So I say in this one, merge. You can see the power of merge from salary table. Common column is employee code. I don't want entire table. I just need new bonus. By the way, I'm not happy with this column name. I want to make it salary. And this I want to make bonus. Okay. And then I want to format it well. So I can go to data type. I can do it from here. Okay, like this, or I can just simply use here. Sorry, this one. Because right now you can see data type is what? Any. So you can click on detect data type. Let it detect it. Yeah, so it says what is the data type? Decimal number. If you're not happy with the decimal number, ideally it should be currency, and you get by default currency. That is that symbol will not be there in the data. It will be there here. Why it should display every time $325, $307 or rupees like that. Okay, this also currency. Absolutely done. Now I'm not going to show in my output the employee code column. So I will not remove it. Don't remove it. This is your base column. Never remove it. So I don't want this column typing. What should I do? So I go to home tab. I say choose columns. And I just say, okay, don't show me the column. Remove means gone. Now, if I want it back, sorry, I choose column and show me back. Easy. Like same as hide. Terminology is different. And output one. Close and load. Okay, I should have selected wrong thing. Just a minute. Output sheet, yeah. Okay, see the bonus has come. So ideally I should keep cursor here and then just refresh it. So whatever task I have done, okay, which is getting reflected in the output, whatever task I have done, whatever action and steps I have performed, that is getting reflected in output. So I select output and then make sure in Excel also you have, sorry, it is occupied right now. That sheet is selected output. We just perform refresh. Done. Now I'm telling you, if you add new data in personal, okay, if you add new data in salary data, if you add a new region, if you add a new region here also with a different percentage, or you update any percentage, everything will get updated. Let's take sum. Alt equal to. I want to cross check. Okay, this is Microsoft Excel. The way you handle it, just do it in same way. Fill it all. Save my file. Refresh it. Bonus also, okay, bonus is also. All right, so I should load it so we can see the difference and the outcome here. Okay, and otherwise we simply just go to refresh and update the data. And if you want to go to edit and refresh, check it out here. See, it got updated. So I think by mistake I used this method instead of I think loading it to the some other data type. You can check the data. What is the sum? So you can understand it requires a lot of practice. Otherwise, it might happen this way. See, the difference. Clear? So previously it was different percentages. So it was different percentage 1, okay, 2, and different percentages were there. So what I did, I have uploaded the data, and then I took the sum of it. It was huge because percentages were high. Now everything is 1%. So whatever is the salary amount, okay, whatever is the salary amount, it is 1% of that. You can understand. So now you got the data in personal data where employee code is connected to salary data employee code, and then bonus is connected to region of employee data. A lot of mix and match here and there, a lot of calculations you could have performed, and then formula functions, and then file size will be heavy. Here nothing happens as such. Look at this. And literally if you do all this thing in Excel and check the performance of the file, and the size of the file will be comparatively high when we have done the Power Query. Let me take you through to the next expectations.